Dwayne, the plastering lecturer at Lancaster Morecambe College. I've been teaching plastering here now for over 5 years. The courses that we currently run are Plastering Level 1 and 2, MVQ Level 2 only, and obviously we also offer an adult evening classes for those budding DIYers that want to pick up some extra skills of plastering knowledge. I got into teaching mainly through loving the trade myself and wanting to pass that experience on to some young people, passing skills and knowledge on so they're able to either make it a career themselves and maybe in the future become employers that take on their own apprentices. I have over 30 years experience within the trade, and I've done relatively about 14 years of domestic work covering all aspects there of internal and external work, and I've also done 15, 16 years on site work, learning new different techniques, including rendering, dry lining, boarding, skimming, covering all aspects of self. But the future skills can go on to running your own business, becoming self-employed and successful. You can actually continue working on for other plastering companies within the local area, but this opportunity could take you even abroad. And having these skills and qualifications, they are transferable. So I've had apprentices myself that are currently working out all the way out in Australia working and still plastering and being able to get their visa through the qualifications. So once you've gained the skills as a plasterer and you've gained your level 1s and 2s here at LMC, the further career path, either choosing for yourself, depending on your own skill level, of going self-employed and being out there in the actual real world, putting your skills to good use, is you have the opportunity to further develop those skills by other courses that are available, whether that's through some of the main manufacturers like K-Rend or doing Venetian work. We usually go onto them courses knowing that you already have the basic skills. The skills that you will learn at LMC on these level 1 and 2 courses are your basic trowel skills, learning how to skim, render, drywall, dot and dab, float and set work, and various types of patching. We even cover covings and floor screening. So it's all the basic techniques of what you would need as a start in a career in plastering. One of the main reasons to get into plastering is not only learning them skills, turning it into a career and actually making a living from it. Now within this area of Lancaster and Morecambe, there's been a massive shortage of tradesmen within this specific area. So getting new people out there, not only do you learn the skills, you will have that great opportunity of making that to employment. If you're already within the trade, it's certainly worth picking up a brand new skill yourself. Come to Lancaster Morecambe College, learn that new skill, and you'll be able to further develop your own business. So for all you young ones that are looking at leaving your high school and coming into construction, remember that at LMC we do offer open evenings. Look out on the website, look for them dates where you can come in and have a good look around, speak to our tutors in all of the areas of construction. And obviously for some of the school leavers, we do actually offer taster sessions through your schools to come in, try it, give it a go, see if it is for you, see if it's something that you actually want to do in the future, and obviously make construction your career.